up, YouTube? It's me, Mongoose. Temperature 956 here in the house. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit that little bell. You know, that way you follow us and we let you know everything. What's up? Let you know everything. Damn, I'm freaking old, man. Anyway, as y'all know, I'm doing the Project Mongoose. It's currently at the transmission shop. A lot of high performance transmissions. It's there. It's getting worked on. But since then we were able to get a hold of some sponsors. An exhaust company you guys may know as Karnage Performance Exhaust. If not, I highly recommend it for our new age cars. They're really designed and set up to give you the most noise you can get out of it. This is the way I can explain it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys basically what it looks like. Their dual exhaust kit. Alright, so hold on for a couple minutes and we'll get to it. Alright, what's up, guys? Well, they sent us 3 packages. Here is package 1. Appears to be a t-shirt. Package 2, which I'm assuming, in the USA, good old America. That's what we want to see. Those are the kind of parts we want to buy. Thank you to all the soldiers, Air Force members, anybody, the United States government has given those ultimate sacrifice for us to be able to enjoy doing what we do, which is hot rodding. Thank you, guys. Yeah, like I was saying, that I'm assuming is a X-pipe. And here I'm assuming we got the mufflers. Let's go ahead and start off with the shirt. Alright, it's gonna be kind of hard to do this with one hand. Let's see. One second, put the camera down. Alright, guys, well, in the package you sent us out this badass t-shirt. Check this out. Karnage. Check the front. The back, I mean. Check it out. Karnage Performance Exhaust. See the competition. It's a contact number in case you want to get a hold of them. After you hear these sound clips, I'm pretty sure you will. Let's go to box. Alright, here we go for the unboxing of part 2. Oh yeah, red decal. Nice. So we got a red decal, got a black decal. And look at this X pipe. Sweet. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's gonna flow way better than that H pipe we got on there right now. So, because if you think about it, take a look at it. It's an X pipe. Okay, you got exhaust coming in from the left side, you got exhaust coming in from the right side. Okay, now if it's an H, well, we all know a pattern of an H, right? Down, down, the middle, right? So, what's that gonna do? If you ask me, theoretically, it's gonna, the exhaust is gonna hit each other. It's not gonna flow as smooth as this here. You could see how it's gonna flow. It's gonna come in here, boom. It's gonna cross. Let's go here. Same thing. Come over here, boom. Cross. Just boom, straight up cross. As you can see, there's nothing in there that's gonna keep it from moving around. Now in an H pipe, well, there's gonna be. It's gonna come in. One way. So exhaust this way, exhaust this way. I don't see it flowing as smooth as something like this. Yeah. Check these welds, dude. These are badass welds. I would have recorded this during the day, but I was busy working. Look at that. Completely sealed. This is very nice, very nice. Can't get enough of that. Look at that. Seamless, flowless. Alright, Go ahead and get to the muffler. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Got some some information, fly information here. Check it out. Karnage mufflers are made from 100% 14 gauge aluminized tubing. Every exhaust is proudly handmade in the USA. Karnage is designed for an aggressive sound and no drone when at highway speed. So if you have a hot rod with a big cam or a new vehicle with a catalytic converters, this muffler will meet your needs. Karnage performance exhaust, baby. Oh, check that out. Only Karnage. Nice. Oh, I like that. White decal, nice. Cool. Awesome. Badass. So the decals. Here's a big. This is the mother we've been waiting for. This is a bad boy. Right here. This is certainly going to wake up the neighbors. Damn, look at that. Oh, you almost had it. Oh, you got to be quicker than that. Damn. This is bigger than my fucking calf. It's insane. It's bigger than my shoe. Yeah. Keep in mind, I wear size 13 shoe. Okay? Wow. My shoe size is 13. Okay, so it's about a little bigger than a foot and a half maybe. Look at that. Karnage Series 1. Nice. And guess what? Right there. Made in the good old US of A. Arrow's pointing that way, obviously goes that way. Look at that, man. Shit. How aggressive that sound's gonna be. Look at that. So smooth. So freaking smooth. Not to be compared with any other exhaust out there. Let me tell you, boys. This exhaust, you just need to hear it to believe it. It sounds insane. Alright, let's go ahead and get his buddy out. I'm half tempted to buy one for the Sentra. Imagine that, a little 4-banger with one of these bad boys. That'd be insane. Nice. Can get enough of the decals. Hell yeah. Same thing. For the other side. The quality, man. Look at that. Look at those welds, dude. These things are welded better than the freaking Borlas I had on my Camaro. Straight flow through design. Straight flow through. Karnage Series 1, made in the USA. Alright guys, like I said, this was the unboxing of the Karnage Series 1 dual exhaust system. If you guys are interested in this, You can get it at www.carnageperformanceexhaust.com, which is located in Anderson, South Carolina, 312 Sayre Street, 29624. Again, Karnage Performance Exhaust. Karnage mufflers are made from 100% 14 gauge aluminized tubing. Every exhaust is probably handmade in the USA. Karnage is designed for an aggressive sound and no drone when at highway speed. So if you have a hot rod with a big cam or a vehicle with catalytic converters, this muffler will meet your needs. Trust me, these mufflers sound incredible. Stay tuned for the installation video. That might be a while because the car is currently at the transmission shop getting the 4L65E rebuilt, capable of withstanding 1100 horsepower. So it's a stage 3 tranny rebuild. Let's go ahead and follow up with them tomorrow, see how the car's doing, and then hopefully once it's done we can get it out, take it to have these installed, and then get our inspection and stickers and everything up to date, so we can make some more sound test videos, 0 to 60, drive-by, fly-by, standstill, before and after. Currently the car has Flowmaster 40s with an H pipe, but it is just too quiet. I mean, it is a stock Challenger sounds louder than my current exhaust, and that's, frankly, I'm not the quiet type. I like to stand out, which is why I went with these bad boys. So we'll go ahead and get that to you as soon as we can. Thanks. Like, subscribe.